In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove local admin rights remotely on Windows computers. So you may know you can open up the computer management console, connect to a computer, and manage the local administrators group one by one, but you probably don't want to do that if you have a lot of computers. So an easier way to do this is to use our AD Pro Toolkit software, which has a local admin reporting tool and allows you to remove and report on all computers at once. So I'm running this on my server's OU. So you can run this on your entire domain. You can select specific OUs. I've ran it on my server's OU. And you can see I've got 3 servers, and then it shows me the group administrators and then all the members. So from here I can select the groups or users that I don't want to be in the administrator group anymore, and then I can remove them. And then you can filter and search for specific accounts. So you can see I've got a Spider-Man account here, Spider-Man account there. So I want to remove that from both those computers. So I would just click on remove member, or I could delete the account. But if you have a lot of computers, you may want to do some filtering or searching. So you can use the search box if you know the account. So I'll just search for Spider-Man, and you can see there it shows up on both my servers. I could select them all and then remove. Another thing you can do is click on the member name column, and then I can go through and pick the ones that I don't want. So I don't want this one. Here's some groups that I don't want. There's a Mark Spider-Man. Now I'll click close. So now it's filtered out all the ones that I want to keep. So I wanted to keep the local administrator account, domain admins. So now I have a list of accounts that I want to remove. So I would just click this box to select them all, and then I could remove member. So let me remove this filter, display everything, and go over a few things here. So the object class will tell you if the group member is, or if the member is a group or a user. So here you can see domain admins, it's shown as a group. Principal source shows you if it's a domain user or group, or if it's local. So you can see Spider-Man here showing it's a user, and it's showing it's a local account. So if I go to computer management console, go to that computer, come in here, you can see there's Spider-Man, and it's a local account. So let me just remove Spider-Man. So I'll select it, remove member. Spider-Man has been removed. So let me jump over to this computer, I'll refresh it. Now if I open this up, you can see Spider-Man is gone. And again, I can do that from multiple computers at once. And it also displays additional information. You can get the account's password last set, so it kind of helps you verify if the account's not used anymore. You can see the account shows if they're enabled or not. You can export this information, so in case you didn't want to, if you want to kind of back up, I would probably recommend you doing this first, is export this list. That way you have a backup before you backup report before you go remove stuff. In case something breaks, you can then refer to your report showing you what was in the groups before. And another thing, you can, by default, it's going to report the administrators group. If you want to see all the local groups, so if I come back here and do groups, you can see on local computers there's a whole bunch of local groups. You can report on all of these and manage them just by clicking on show all groups. And if I click run, you can see it's listing the members of all of these local groups. There's the users groups, backup operators, and there you can see there's a Mark account in that one, and I could manage these, so I could delete users from these groups as well. But that is it. You can download this. I'll put a link in the comments, a link for the software. You can download it and try it out for 14 days. That's it. Thanks for watching.